In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin a presentation in Google Meet using Google Workspace for Business. Whether you're in the midst of a collaborative session or attending a virtual lecture, knowing how to manage your display settings in Google Meet can greatly enhance your productivity and overall meeting experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Meet. If you're not familiar with how to do this, simply open your browser and type in Google Meet. Then select the appropriate link to get started. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, look for the New Meeting button, which allows you to kick off a meeting on the spot. Clicking on New Meeting offers a few options, but for now, you'll want to select Start an Instant Meeting. This choice will immediately open a new meeting space for you where you can initiate your presentation. With your meeting up and running, your next move is to present your content. Direct your attention to the lower right hand corner of your screen where you'll find the Present Now button. Clicking this will give you the power to share your entire screen, a specific window or a tab with your audience. For most presentations, sharing either your entire screen or a specific window works best, but adjust this based on what suits your purposes. Once you've selected what you want to share, click on Share to present your content to everyone in the meeting. At this point, your presentation is live and you're the spotlight of the meeting. However, if you need to unpin this presentation, and let's say you need to switch to another window or focus on a different presenter, unpinning becomes essential. To unpin, first, locate the presentation tile on your screen. Click on this tile and you should see an option to unpin. Clicking unpin will remove your presentation from the main focus, allowing you more flexibility in managing your meeting and shifting your attention as needed. Understanding these steps not only helps keep your Google Meets organized, but also ensures smooth transitions and effective dialogues during virtual communications. Practice these steps a few times to get comfortable, and you'll be managing your virtual meetings like a pro in no time. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these tools often makes for smoother and more productive online interactions. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that could power up your Google Workspace experience even further. See you in the next video.